guys, this is the iPhone X S 512GB Max. Right, so here is the 512GB iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max. So this is the gold, and this is obviously the space grey here on the right. So let's take a look at both of these and see what's in the boxes. Alright, let's just take a look at the gold, and on the side here you see the iPhone and the Apple logo. iPhone again, and of course the Apple logo. So let's take a look at the front here. As you can see, it's very hard to tell what type of color it is. It's a 512GB model, as you can see right there. So this is basically the specs of it. So we're going to actually take her off and see what's inside. Right, here we go. This is the iPhone. You see it's designed in California. And now we're presented with the actual phone. But let's take a look at some of the paperwork here. So the general paperwork, you get fingertips obviously, and we get the Apple stickers and all the rest there, warranty and all that such. And let's take a look at what else we get. We get the actual phone itself. Here we go. So let's take a quick look at the phone. There's the Max with its 6.5-inch screen. We've got at the back here the new gold color. You can see right there, the camera does not do it justice. It does actually look quite different. We've got our new camera there, system there. We have the gold side, the gold button, SIM card tray obviously, and volume rocker as well as mute. So yeah, that's pretty much the stock standard stuff you get on any iPhone. But let's take a look and see what else we have to offer with this particular phone. Right, so here it is. This is the accessories we get. So the typical accessories minus the actual 3.5mm to lightning adapter. We've got our standard power brick. We've got our lightning earphones. And of course we've got our lightning cable. Let's boot her up and see what this thing does. Right, now we got that booted up and a little bit of settings, so let's take a look at the iPhone 8 Plus and see the comparison between this and of course the iPhone XS Max. And you can see right here, very similar but different. On the back here you can see the cameras are the main sticker out here, but they look virtually identical from the back. So at the front here you can see the screen is a lot more longer as opposed to wider. So the iPhone is actually a longer sort of screen, as you can see in comparison to the wide structure of the actual iPhone 8 Plus. So yeah. Right, let's take a look at the black version of this phone, so the space grey version. So let's take a look and open it up. So it's going to be pretty much the same in a lot of ways. So we're not going to go through all the things that we saw in the previous one. We just want to take a look at the actual color here. So as you see at the front here, the edges look space grey as opposed to a different world image. So yeah, with documentation here, it is the actual space grey iPhone XS Max. Let's open her up. And here we have it. You can see there's a black back there, as you can see, very much similar to a variety of the versions we've had before it, and you see both colours side by side there. Very nice on the sides, very nice on the back. So let's power this one on and see what it looks like. You're looking at very similar accessories here, so you're looking at lightning adapters, you're looking at everything else right in the box as we showed you before in the gold version. But let's take a look at both these side by side. So I've just taken it through the quick setup there, but we could turn these over and we can take a look exactly what these things look like side by side. So these are the max models, you can see right there in the two different colors, but there is actually three, but in this case we're looking at the most popular type colors. Here we go, the two golds together, the iPhone 8 Plus against the iPhone X, as you can see right, XS Max, as you can see right there. So we're going to set up and transfer an iPhone 8 Plus to the iPhone XS Max. We'll do the same with this particular phone as well, but we'll do it pretty much at a manual process. Right, let's just get the backup and stuff done. So there's a new option here called After Apple Pay. We've got screen on time if you want to turn that on and off. We've got obviously iPhone analytics and all the other stuff as well. So this is all the general stuff for the iPhone setup. I'm just restoring iCloud on both of these phones. It takes a couple of minutes and pretty much we'll be up and running with these particular two phones. So same thing again, this is obviously the black one and we're just taking it through. We're going to set up some Apple Pay and yeah, screen on time and various other things here. So let's take a look at what this phone can actually do. So this is obviously the top spec model of the iPhone range. We've got new internals, we've got new upgraded storage, we've got a better screen, and the screen does look a lot better than it has previously. Face ID actually does run a lot quicker, as far as I'm aware, but obviously in this case it's the start of the phone. But from screen wise, you're not going to be seeing the difference unless you see it in person. It's definitely worth it if you're going from an iPhone 10 to an iPhone XS Max. I don't think it's worth it for this smaller model, but definitely for the Max model. It's a very nice screen. iOS 12 definitely makes it a little bit more snappier, but obviously you're going to have to wait for a few things. Anyway, this is the iPhone XS Max, and I'll see you all later. Cheers.